So guys, yeah, this is the session we are going to taken for the that we are going to design one new batch, and almost 8 to 9 admission is almost done in this batch. Okay, and we are planning to build one new batch here. So it is definitely offline plus online. Both ways are possible. Okay. And this is the today's is our demonstration, guys. Timing and all these things we will discuss, and then we will decide for the batch timing. Definitely it is again as per your availability that we will decide, and then we'll design that batch. But almost our admission is going to complete. So 9 admission is already happened, and rest is in pipeline. So let me share my screen, then we will discuss further. Okay. So this course name is Data Analyst with AI. Okay. But don't go name wise. Definitely first we will understand means if someone wants, sir, I want to go for data science AI. I want to go for Gen AI. Someone will ask, no, sir, I want to go for the data analyst. Someone will ask, sir, I want to go for the data engineer. So these are definitely options we have, and we will discuss this, and then we will go for it. Okay. Now, we will move towards the roadmap, how we are planning these sessions and how we need to move forward. That we will discuss little bit, and then we will move towards your question. But before going to our roadmap, I need to clarify your doubt that some of the peoples are still they are not clear, sir, what exactly is uh 1 minute, let me open it, Miro. Okay. Now, most of the peoples are really not getting that, sir. What is a data analyst and data science difference? Okay, and what is a Gen AI? What is a AI? The most of the people are talking Gen AI, Gen AI, Gen AI. But what exactly Gen AI and what is the AI? Means what is the difference between this? Okay, so we will try to understand that concept first, then we will move towards the our main goal, that is our syllabus part. Okay, so let me just open it, click new board. Okay. Yeah, see here, uh, that data science, data analyst, and data engineer. Now, when we talk about the data science, data analyst, data engineer, try to understand what are these concepts, means what these peoples are do. These are the same one, means are you going to apply for these 3 roles after this course, or how? Okay, we will understood this basic, then we'll move forward. Now, when you come for the data analyst, where I will start from here. Now, when you say that data analyst, you want to be in the future with the AI, try to understand anything here. If you go for the data science, if you want to go for the data analyst, if you want to go for the data engineer, everywhere you will require the GenAI. Without GenAI, you cannot complete this course, to be honest. And this is not a optional. I'm telling you, to be honest, this is a mandatory. If you not change now, definitely in future, the future will change you. Most of the organization, they are conducting internal training for their employees. If you have your relative, your friend circle in the IT, you can ask them. The companies are conducting too many uh, trainings, GNI trainings for their employee. Now, why they are doing this? If these people are already working, why they want GNI? That's my question to you. Now, see, I will give you some basic here. So, nowadays, if you see, most of the companies want to go for the automation. Now, what is the automation? Means they don't want more interference about the humans. Okay, because if you see calculator, right, calculator we have. Now when we are using calculator, when we need to do some fast calculation, right? But let's say I want to calculate some numbers, 33 79 into 33. These numbers I want to calculate. Definitely, as a human being, I am able to solve this simple multiplication problem. But if you put down these numbers over the calculator, within a seconds you will get the answer. It means your machine is faster than you. Of course, it is not smarter than you. It is a faster than you. So, for achieving the speed, for making a too smart their applications, the companies or the organization they want to go for GenAI. Now, if you open any bank website like HDFC, ICI, SBI, you will see there is a one chatbot here. Sometimes you will see these types of logo here, and here, may I help you? They are putting like that. May I help you? Now, these are nothing but the chatbots. Chatbots. Now, what chatbots is doing exactly? Chatbot is trying to means, what do you think? Chatbot means some person is sitting in front of you and they are talking to you. Is it? It is happening? No. Right? It is simple no. Chatbot means, try to understand what is meant by chatbot. Chatbot means this is your Python code program which it will interact you through the GenAI. Means here GenAI means we have a LLM here which one will whatever the prompt, or you can say queries, user means what, you1. Let's say you are the user of ICICI Bank, right? You have an account in the ICICI Bank. It means you are the user. So when user will put down some queries or prompt to the HDFC Bank application or their websites, if you see they have a chatbot, then they will reply. This is your question, and then that chatbot will answer. Means you can ask the question, they will answer. Who one? Chatbot. But chatbot will work how? LLM, on the basis of LLM. The responsible thing is LLM here. Now, what is meant by LLM? LLM is nothing but the large language model. Large language model. Now, when you say large language model, now you will say, sir, means we are here, data analyst, data engineer. Why you going here? Guys, try to understand. I have started from calculator and reach here. Where? Chatbot. Try to understand. These are the steps. Large language model means these models, if you see the naming convention only, you can understand the concept. The large language model means these models are trained on a huge data set. Okay, these models are trained on huge data set. If you ask the chat gpt, what do you think, chat gpt is a llm? If you open the chat gpt, if you ask which llm you are using, if you ask which llm you are using, they will answer this. See, I am running on OpenAI GPT 5.5 model. See, model. Now, if you see in my answer also, I have used here word model. Now, what is this model? Guys, this is simple machine learning model which trained on huge data set. Huge data set means they are trained on the research paper, books, websites data, PDFs, articles, and blah blah blah. So these all things are provided to this model, and then this model are trained on this data. If you see, these LLMs are taking half liter water for 20 to 30 prompts. Now, what is the prompts? Try to understand. Prompts is nothing but the user query, means your query. Now, when I have written here which LLM you are using, this is nothing but the prompt. This is nothing but the prompt. Now, try to understand, when I have asked this question to my chat GPT, it has given me the answer. Right? It has given me the answer. Now, just if you ask how much water you required, how much water will require for this LLM. Now, if you see what it will see, means water is used for the cooling data center. Definitely, it is a machine, it is not drinking a water, but this water will require to cool the servers, cool the machine, cooling the data center. So you can see it requires millions of liters of the water during training. See here, okay. Training is a frontier elements. 10 of thousands of GPUs can require millions of liters of water. Means roughly, if you want to see 20 to 50 chat GPT prompts may indirectly consume 500 ml of water, which almost half liter of water. Means for your data center it will require half liter of water. This is some extra information I'm trying to give. What is this and why we require this? So I'm just trying to understand you that LLM is not a simple thing. For India, we don't have any LLM. There are in the US, they have well-known LLMs like GPT, and another one is Gemini. Okay, and for the China, of course, there are other LLMs are also there with the US, but in the China, they have their own DeepSeek. But India, we don't have, because to build a LLM, to maintain the LLM, we required lots amount of money as well as resources. Definitely in India we have a lots of money, but the peoples are not doing that one. That is a different thing. I don't want to go there, but try to understand, these LLMs are a model which are trained on the huge data set. That is what I want to tell you. Now, these things are we are going to learn or we can say these things we need to learn in the machine learning, how to develop the model. This is the part of the machine learning. But nowadays, this is a very old now. This is the old, but this is the base, right? If you see, when you studied integration derivatives or some square formulas, it doesn't mean that you no need to learn 1 2 3 4, because this is a basic. Without this you cannot do further calculations. So what I want to tell you, machine learning is the base, Python is the base. So why we require the Python here? So when you are going to train the model, Python is the language, or we can say coding language, which we can use to train this model. So this is the useful for this. Okay. So now what Gen AI will do? So Gen AI, what happened? Gen AI, how it is high level architecture, I'm telling you how this works and what is the difference between AI and Gen AI. Gen AI and traditional AI. So if you search any information on Google, if you ask them that who is Sachin Tendulkar, yeah, what happened? Now, if you see, they have given me certain kinds of information or websites. But if I ask same question to ChatGPT, who is a Sachin Tendulkar? Who is a Sachin Tendulkar? If I ask same question to ChatGPT, they will not giving me any websites in source. Forget about that. But they will give me one concrete answer for it, what I want or what I required. But if you see as comparison to this Google, it is not like that. This is, I don't miss, I need to go in the Wikipedia or some cricket info website, then I need to search. So this is a traditional thing. And Gen AI means chat gpt, this is the Gen AI model. And this will, what it will do, Gen AI means generative AI. Generative AI. So generative AI means it is generate the text, it is generate the videos, it generates the images and lots of things. So this is nothing but what? Generative AI. Generative AI means it is a generating output as per your prompt. That is a Gen AI. Okay, this is the high level architecture. Now, what is the difference between data analyst and data science? So in the data science, we will learn about the machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. Okay, and these are the basic for AI. But nowadays, people are mainly looking for Gen AI skill set, which we are going to design, or we can say we have designed our syllabus. Now we have taken this Gen AI plus data analyst. This is a good news for you, because you will not see this course anywhere. You can search anywhere. Gen AI data analyst, it is the superior combination, because nowadays people want a more intelligence about the data plus AI side, and which what this is the what we are going to develop in the data analyst plus Gen AI. Okay, so now we will see what are the syllabus for this, what is the roadmap for data analyst. Definitely, these are the 3 points only we are going to add if you join data science, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. These are the extra pointers or modules, you can say, that is going to cover in the data science. But now what is going to cover in the data analysis, let we will see in short. Let me share that one. 1 minute. Yeah. here. So now this is the roadmap we are going to see. So we will go for Python first. Okay. So we will learn some Python concepts. Okay. What are the basics? So in the basics, we will see some how to do the analysis by using Python. What is a data analyst and business analyst? Again, this is very interesting. Most of the people are understanding that data analyst and a business analyst is the same one. Guys, business analyst is a person who is responsible for the taking the requirement. Okay, means try to understand, if you want to do some furniture at your home, what you will do, you will ask one furniture dealer to visit your home, and then you will give the your requirements, right? So the person who is coming at your home and he is taking a requirement, that is the business analyst in the technical language, I'm telling you. Okay. But data analyst means what? Data analyst is a person who is responsible to analyze your data, to create insights in the data, and then it is responsible to provide the insight through the visualize your data. They can also, by using insights, they will develop some AI applications, and that is what the course we have designed, Data Analyst plus Gen AI. That is what it is, a very very superior course. Why? Because here we are going to learn lots of new thing. It means this is the what is a data analyst. Just now I explain you. Okay. So what are the descriptive, diagnostic, predictive? These all things we are going to see in the depth. After that, some Excels also we are going to learn. Okay, basic. These are the basic Excel. Normally, every data engineer or data science or this data analyst guy should know the basic of the Excel, because sometimes we need to do some validation part. That time Excel will required. Then SQL we are going to conduct, and this is the another coding language. But to be honest, I can assure you, if you're not from your IT field, some of the people will say, sir, I'm not from IT, I'm not from I don't know Python or P also. How should I comfortable with Python or SQL? Guys, I can tell you, within a month or within 1 or 2 months, you are able to write a code for the Python and SQL. Okay. So Python and SQL, as compared to Python, SQL is lots of easy. To be honest, lots of easy. Because SQL is not a case sensitive. Means you can write down in a capital letter, small letter. That is perfectly fine and it is very easy to understand. I will tell you each and everything. So these all the concepts we are going to learn in the SQL. After that, we will also conduct statistics parts in the data analyst. So what is the descriptive statistics? What is the probability sampling? All these things. Okay. Then this is the advanced Python also we are going to conduct, that consists of the data structures, and this is the main part. Okay. If you know, for the learning of the GenAI, Python is the base. It is the, you can say, it is the heart of your GenAI. So these things we were going to learn, how to clean the data, how to transform the data. What are these NumPy, pandas? Okay, these libraries we are going to learn. Also, we will do some matplotlib. This is a library. Seaborn is a library. Plotly is a library. This library, by using this library, we will see how to visualize the data by using Python. These are the Python libraries. Then we will also focus on the Power BI part. So till now, if you see here, it is the superior course in the data analyst plus AI. What we have covered till now. So if I tell you that in the data analyst plus AI course, we are taking Python here, basic plus advanced, then SQL, then Power BI, then Excel, then Excel, SQL, Power BI, and then statistics. Okay. And then, where is it? Yeah. Generative AI. This is the what? Gen AI. So in the Gen AI, on the SQL and Power BI, I'm going to conduct a two project, which you can insert in your resume. Means in all the syllabus, this one. And for Gen AI, I will take a three projects. Means if you see, this is the institute, you will get a hands-on. Total five projects, three projects on Gen AI, two projects on SQL to Excel. We are going to conduct. And to be honest, after five projects, you are going to hands on this. Every concept you will learn by heart. If you daily attend my sessions and if you put up your efforts to learn everything, definitely you will get that. And for the understanding, that is my assurance that there is nothing topic in our class or in the session that you will realize that sir, I'm not getting this topic. Even if you there are some my uh, existing students are join this batch, right? You can ask them how many times I'm asking them, guys, you are getting, should I move ahead? If you have any doubt, please let me know. So I'm giving a time to ask some certain queries. Some people are very shy, they are not able to ask, but I'm trying to encourage them. Please guys, you can ask. You are going to pay the amount. I want to give each and every thing in the return of your money, right? So in this data analyst plus Gen AI, we are going to cover Python, SQL, Power BI, Excel, statistics in Gen AI. In the Gen AI, what are the topics we are going to cover? If you want to see, so we are going to cover, we will create a chatbot here. Okay, we will create a chatbot here. Then we will see LangChain, LangGraph, then RAG, then agentic AI, Langsmith, Llama Index, query generator, and deployment, how to deploy your model. These all things in the these all are the advanced topics. Langsmith, agentic AI. Agentic AI means how to create agents. So RAG, LangChain, LangGraph, chatbots, Llama Index, query generator, deployment from the scratch. Okay, from the scratch, I'm going to tell you how to create the agents, how to create a chatbot, how to create some LangChain applications, LangGraph, how to use the LangGraph, how to do the orchestration, how to deploy it at the AWS or on cloud. Everything we are going to learn in the depth. And this is the course which you will get each and means uh, what we can say, you a return of your money. This is the worth. Why? Because this course we have designed as per the industry requirement. I am an architect, try to understand. I know there are lots of peoples. I have the almost 12 peoples, they are reporting me who has a experience between 4 to 6 years. These people are reporting me. So I know what is the requirement in the industry, and according to that, I have designed this syllabus. Guys, try to understand other institute are just focusing to take your money, but here you will get a proper guidance as well as hands-on projects. So total 5 projects we are going to take in this batch. So this is three I'm telling. To be honest, it is more than three. And chatbot, Langchain, Langgraph, RAG, you can check ChatGPT. All these points you will see in the GenAI topics. And after this course, if you join every session, I can ensure you you are easily design any GenAI application if I give you any requirement. And will in the depth we are going to learn. So here in the rack or LangChain, LangGraph, so embeddings, what is the embedding, what is the vector database, what is the re-ranking, everything we are going to learn in the depth. And this is the syllabus for your course. GenAI, what is the GenAI, what is the ChatGPT, how it works, okay? What is the prompt engineering? This is again important. What is the data analysis? How we can do that? GenAI, SQL, Python. What are the tools? Cloud, Gemini. These all the things we are going to learn. Real world project. Okay. So it means this course, after this course, I will give you some projects which you can include in your resume, and after this course we will focus on resume building plus mock interviews. Means resume building and mock interview, it is the part of our course which I'm going to take. So I will give you some time after giving the projects. So you need to practice it. Then you need to do the some study. Then I will take some interviews. Also, with this, I will also provide you some material for interview. So interview questions also. What are the questions in the ask in the interviews, industry interviews? That one I will tell you in the course. It means this batch is nothing but end-to-end support. End-to-end support. Normally, we have a batches from Monday to Friday, but I'm planning Saturday and Sunday. I will take some sessions for the GNAI. Not now, after 2 weeks. So after starting off the batch, I will take some sessions on weekends. Normally, this Monday to Friday, this is the Python, SQL, Power BI. This is on regular basis, and on the weekend we will complete Saturday, Sunday, GNI. It means you will see after 1 month, 7 days batch. It means here we are dedicatedly trying to complete your syllabus, your understanding, your projects, your resume building, your mock interviews, and we are trying to make you the how to tackle with the interviews. We are trying to make you more confident on it. And this is what we are learnomates. Yeah. So if you have now, if you have any doubt related to this course or any other doubt, though it is some simple question or whatever it is, you can simply ask. You have information has given in the attendance this chat box. You can just go there. Please fill your attendance. Please contact to admin and complete your formalities. And now if you have any doubt, please let me know so I can help you. Any type of doubt. So by the way, one information I want to tell you, recently, I mean in means last to last batch, the my one of the three students got a, they got a hike. Means one student got a hike from, he has a package for 13 lakhs LPA. Okay, before my batch, after completion of batch, he got almost 22 lakhs. Okay, so almost if you think, it is more than 70% hike. Okay, this is not only one student happens with this one student, there are other students also. Some students are getting 2x hikes, 3x hike, because now this is not an option, guys. You cannot say that, sir, I will do this later on, or I have lots of time. You can check with your family, your friends who are in the IT. You can ask them what is the importance of GenAI and how this is going to capture each and every industry. Even if you see, if you go to the electronic market now, AI enabled phones are there, AI enabled cars are there, AI enabled fridge refrigerators are there, AI enabled televisions are there. Means there is everything is going to uh, is enabled now AI by the AI. So when you see this, all the things are AI, AI, AI means what? These are the skills required by organization. And now if you not learn, if you are thinking, sir, I will learn this later on, then to be honest, guys, you are trying to make you away from your IT. Means that is the things you are thinking that you don't want to go for the IT. That is the simple meaning for that. Because normally you can ask, you can check, you can verify your friends, your brothers, sisters who are working in the IT. Guys, the people who are already working last 10 years, 11 years, 6 years, these peoples are really joining the institute. Even my other batches also, I can give you numbers of mobile numbers, names are there. They are already working, but still they are learning the GNI. Because if they are not learning now, they will be out of the IT. The company is simply firing. If you see, most of the peoples are layoff, doing a layoff. Why this layoff is happening? Of course, they want to optimize the cost. Optimize is the one of the factor, but second factor is, again, if you don't know, but I am in in this industry since last 8 to 9 years. Most of the peoples are fired because they don't want to learn the new skill set, and that's the reason the peoples are not able to survive for long term. So Gen AI is now the need. It is not, it is a mandatory. And this is the course where if you get a hands on from the scratch, from the Python, you don't know, even I can teach you how to install the software. Now you try to understand, if you know how to if I'll tell you how to install the software, how to design the code, how to design the any application, how to design the reports in the Power BI, how to write the prompts. So what you are waiting for then? So this is simple, very, very important sessions, or you can say coachings. You can join this, you can complete your formalities, and definitely from next week onwards, might be from the Monday or Tuesday, we are going to start our new batches. The information has been already given in the chat box. Please complete your formalities, means attendance form that you have to fill, and the contact number also they have given. Just contact them and complete the your admission. Now you have a 10 minutes. If you have any doubt, related this course or any roadmap or anything related to your career, then you can ask. Anyone having a doubt?
So yes, sir, I have one doubt.
Please.
As you told, I have an experience of 7 years in the marketing, and my education is in BTech in IT and MBA in IT. But I got job in the marketing, so till now, right now I'm in marketing. So I want to switch in IT now. So
Hmm.
is it a good for me or not? This
See,
option.
yeah, this is a good for you. Why? I'll give you a reason also. Try to understand. Now you are in the marketing, but in future, if you want to grow, okay, you have a this is a good opportunity for you. Once you join this, you will able to learn from the scratch. You are able to design the application, and now the companies you are already from the IT, you are already from BTech, you already completed your masters from IT. Then you just take this opportunity, go for the interviews, and then if you select whenever you select for the your position, you will feel that you have wasted your 7 to 8 years, to be honest, because whatever you have earned in last 7 years, I can give you challenge. After joining the IT industry, within a year you will earn that much amount in last 7 years. So
That the yes, yes.
mhm. So
For that reason, I want to switch.
mm,
Right now, I'm in the digital branding.
okay.
Yeah. So now I want to switch. So it is a good option. It is easiest option because if you work is 6 to 7 years in another field, then you did not contact with the IT's terminologies, not the terminology, not technology,
Hmm.
in coding and all these things. So is it easier for me to cope up with the coding and all this stuff?
Definitely, definitely. See,
That is honest.
the person, if you see the, you have a 7 years of experience, and but here some of the people they are from the BA. Even my last to last batches, even my last batches also, some peoples are not from IT. They are from simple BA or BCom. Okay, so these peoples they don't know Python of P also, IT of I also. Still, they are getting a good placement. They are getting a 8 lakh package, 10 lakh package, 12 lakh package, because we are going to learn them from the scratch. How to create a variable, how to download the software. That also we are going to teach you. Then what you want, so every small thing we are going to teach you here. We are trying to train you how to develop we have a basic funda here. We need to go from simple to complex. Okay. Initial some periods, some sessions, I will go for the warm up lectures. Warm up lectures means what? So basic things I am trying to make you more fluent. Once you fluent in the basics, then you can able to work on the complex task. And this is what the my practice. Even in the sessions only, I am giving you some problems. I will ask you, please solve this. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. Means this type of practice I'm doing in training sessions only. So, and that's what you required in if you want to switch it from your existing field to IT.
Yes, I want to switch it into IT. That's why
Hmm.
because I'm asking this question because this time at this
Hmm.
moment for me after 7 experience,
Hmm.
I want to switch, so I have to take risk. That's why I'm asking. Simple.
Definitely no. That's what I'm saying. If you take a efforts, even I will help you to guide some you. If you build some projects, and if you add that projects in your resume, you need to make one story. Definitely, you can easily enter into the IT industry. You need to apply the through the Naukri portal. Okay, all these things we will discuss, how to do that, how to build your Naukri profile, how to build your resume. You also need to do some stories over there. You need to create some story that due to some this problem you have worked for the some non-IT profiles. Now you have joined coachings and you are very fluent in this designing objects. So all these things you can tell them. I will tell you at the last how to do that, all these things.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, then no worries. Then please fill the attendance form. Then we will discuss from our regular sessions. Please complete your formalities. So, Shruti, hand over to you. Thank you, guys. Your voice is not audible, Shruti. Yeah, now it's little better. Yeah, Shruti. So, guys, please fill the attendance form and the contact number also provided in the chat box. Please contact the admin, complete your formalities, and then we will start our batch immediately in from the next week. Okay, so for the details, you can contact to the admin team. They will help you for all these things. Okay, so thanks.